I'm probably gonna catch a bass. I'm gonna catch a turtle. You literally look like a turtle. Well, at least my grandpa's not in the nursing home. Girls, please. Now, if y'all fill a bump, make sure y'all pull it really hard because it might be a fish. Hey, teacher, I keep catching sticks. I'm not surprised, Kevin. Hey, what's Sasha doing?
Okay.
Do we ever know what Sasha's doing? Hey, look what Sasha caught. She caught something? What is it?
Okay.
Sasha, put that down.
Kitty.
Sasha, that's not a kitty. Put it down.
Kitty. Okay.